6 Health Benefits of Drinking Bitter Leaf Juice. We get it, drinking bitter leaf juice is not necessarily the most fun thing to do in the world, but trust us when we say it has nothing but sweet benefits for your general well-being. Keeping in mind that just touching bitter leaf can leave your hands tasting bitter for many hours, we can imagine the distaste you have right now at the thought of drinking bitter leaf juice. As unpleasant as this experience may be, it is super healthy and medicinal, hence why we have listed some below to convince you to try drinking bitter leaf juice. 1. Aids in weight loss. The components in bitter leaf juice make a great therapy for burning off that extra fat you have been looking at getting rid of. A daily dose of bitter leaf juice in your diet can eliminate bad cholesterol and reduces excess calories in the body. 2. Reduces cancer risks. Bitter leaf contains numerous anti-cancer properties like andrographylide compound, which has been scientifically found to be effective in treating prostate cancers, gastric cancers, and colon. Furthermore, studies have shown that bitter leaf extract can boost the immune system, inhibit tumor growth, and prevent the development of cancer cells. 3. Lowers high blood pressure. The same bitterness in bitter leaf that makes it unappetizing is also one of its strongest best benefits. The bitterness of bitter leaf juice helps to lower your sugar level and controls blood pressure. Doctors advise hypertensive and diabetic patients to consume bitter leaf, as the potassium it contains is a good remedy for hypertension, as it prevents sodium from spiking up in the bloodstream by flushing out the accumulation of salt. 4. Aids in the treatment of abdominal issues. Bitter leaf comes in handy in the treatment of abdominal issues like stomach upset, diarrhea, dysentery, and other gastrointestinal tract diseases. Drinking a cup of bitter leaf juice twice daily helps bring relief from stomach problems. 5. Enhances fertility. Bitter leaf is very impressive when it comes to its benefit to the reproductive system of women. Drinking bitter leaf juice can help a woman get pregnant, as the chemical compounds present in bitter leaf extracts like etotides promotes hormonal balance and boosts your immune system to help fight against toxification. Once balance is restored to your genital hormone, your chances of being reproductive increases. Thank you for watching this. If you find this video informative, do like and subscribe, and let us know in the comment below about sharing your thought in this. See you in the next video, and until then, stay tuned to aid the student.